Dear students, I am Professor Mohammad Mazrihan from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, MIT Mysore. In this session, I am going to explain how to make a shaper model using a shaping machine tool. Before that, let us understand what a shaper is. A shaper is a type of machine tool that uses linear relative motion between the workpiece and a single point cutting tool for marking slots, grooves, and keyways. So the model will be given is first sketched in 2D as shown. It has a diameter of 50 mm and 30 mm thick. The workpiece is coated with wet chalk for marking and then placed a workpiece on a magnetic chuck. Using a vernier height gauge, measure its height. Note down the reading, in this case 131 mm as read on right division. To draw an axis, drop the height by 25 mm since the diameter is 50 mm. Draw the axis line using a vernier height gauge. Now check for parallelity. Draw another axis as shown to mark the area for cutting. Adjust the vernier height gauge to 121 mm and draw a line at its height on both sides of the axis as shown in the 2D sketch. Complete the marking on the workpiece. Now, using a center punch and hammer, carry out permanent marking on the lines drawn as shown. After this, we shall move on to the machine. Before proceeding with the work, we shall list the different parts of the machine. The different parts are clapper box, tool post, tool feed handle, reciprocating ram, reciprocating blocking lever, vertical traverse handle, cross traverse handle, machine voice, body, stepped cone pulley, and base. A single point cutting tool is held properly in the tool post and mounted on the reciprocating ram as shown in the video. Now the job is fixed rigidly on the machine table as shown in the video. After that, the machine is switched on. So the reciprocating ram moves with a linear motion in two strokes, forward and backward. During the forward stroke, material is removed and the feed is given from tool feed handle. Now after completion this, we are going to use a parting tool. A parting tool is used for finishing operation. A parting tool is fixed as shown in the video and it is proceeded for finishing operation. For angular slots, adjust the ram head at a required angle by rotating it by 25 degrees per side from 0 point to cut the total angle of 50 degree. Then switch on the machine for angular slot cutting. The final product is as shown. Thank you for watching.